Hey guys, my name is Diksha Dogra. Welcome back to my channel. Today we will talk about three affirmations which you can use, which you can affirm before you sleep. Okay, I'll let you know the benefits of it too. But before that, if you're new to my channel, please subscribe it. You will be getting a lot of content on mindset, growth mindset, law of attraction, manifestation, personality transformation. And those who are new here, my name is Diksha Dogra. I'm a mindset and manifestation coach, and apart from that, I'm also a TEDx and Josh Talk speaker. And this video is all about rewiring your subconscious mind so that you get aligned with what you want and manifest it in this 3D world. All right, now coming back to my topic of today is where you would like to affirm affirmations before you go to bed so that you can attract your dreams while sleeping. So what affirmations you can do is I'll let you know affirmation in a bit, but before that, why it's imperative to do affirmations before we go to bed, how it can help us to rewire our mind. So to answer that, there is a I keep on talking about that RAS, reticular activating system. It's a part in our subconscious mind which helps us to stay focused on what we want, okay, or what we become addicted to consciously, unconsciously. So we need to keep on training our mind, feed our mind regularly basis on what we want, so that RAS knows this is something being familiar to me now, and I need to redirect your mind's energy towards that particular thing. So maybe you have observed, if you have a favorite color, if your favorite color is red, so wherever you go, instead of focusing on other color, your RAS, reticular activating system, redirects your eyes towards that red color, and you see that, see my favorite color, see my favorite color, my favorite car, my favorite outfit, right? So just like that, it's your RAS which actually does it for you. It filters out all the other information and bring the relevant information as per your vibrations. Okay, now another important thing why it is important to rewire your brain before you sleep is our subconscious mind is 24 hours working. It's just we sleep, our body take rest, but our subconscious mind is active 24 hours. So it's really important, instead of how your day went, how you had an argument with other people, conflicts with other people, how the pressure of your office, household chores is going in your mind, troubling you, creating assumptions, thinking about self-doubts, low self-worth, all these things happening in your day. How about keeping all those things aside and nurturing your subconscious mind, that if you sleep, you keep on tapping into quantum world and rewiring your mind to influence the energy of your dream. Because as I say, everything is energy. Whatever we want, whatever you want, everything exists in the form of energy. It's just that you cannot see it right now. That doesn't mean it's not there. It's there in quantum world in the form of energy, but we need to keep on influencing it so that it get collapsed in this 3D world and you manifest it. So to do that, and that's what you can do, you can do affirmations which I'll be giving you. Okay, you can do those affirmations before you sleep, or you can just follow 369 method. There is another video on my YouTube channel which actually elaborates that 369 method, and out of 3 and 6 you can do 9-1 before you go to your bed. And one disclaimer here, before you sleep and before you do these affirmations, do not use your mobile phones or watch TV after doing this. You go directly to sleep, maybe do deep breathing, and then you sleep. That's how you need to do it. Okay, now you can write the affirmations, or you can just write it once and keep that paper with you or your journal with you, and just read it very calmly in your mind. Don't use your mouth, okay, to read these affirmations, because that more often goes for ratification, and I don't want you to do that. I don't want you to just remember your affirmation. I want you to absorb it. Every cell, every part of your body should absorb that information and feel every single word of it. Words are powerful energy. If you can just put that energy inside your cell, inside your entire body, let your whole body brighten up with this energy of your new dream, so that it gets manifest ASAP, effortlessly. Now affirmations. So 3 affirmations, as I said. First, let's release all the things that happened in your day. Okay, a lot can happen in a day, a lot can change in a day, so let's first release all the energy. So just sit very calmly. Okay, aram se baith jao, or if you feel like that if I can do it while lying on the bed, of course you can do it. Okay, so either lie on bed or sit on a bed or a couch. Now what you need to do is close your eyes if you're not writing it. If you're writing it, that obviously you can do that, right? So close your eyes and affirm. Say it: today I release all the negativity, resentments, regrets I had during the day, and open to receive the beautiful gifts of the life. Okay, so that's the number one affirmation which you can do. Second affirmation is just to clear your energy, okay, and relax your body. I am calm, I am at peace, I am happy and relaxed. So I know there are a couple of sentences, but that's what makes it one single affirmation. Okay, you need to affirm it in a single row. Okay, now you can affirm it number of times, but as I said, don't use your mouth much. Just close your eyes, don't move much, and repeat these affirmations in your mind. Let it come through your subconscious mind and settle it down there. Okay, then last affirmation will be for your dreams, whatever your dream is. Okay, if your dream is to buy a big house, or if your dream is to get a particular job in some company, dream company, this is how you can do it. You can start in this way. I'm keeping the end sentence blank. I'll give you an example, but you can put whatever your dream is instead of that, what I'm going to say. So I am feeling super excited and wonderful now that I have my dream house. I'm living in that. I feel so peaceful there. So just like that, start with I am, and then add your feelings. I said that I'm feeling extremely happy, excited, wonderful. You add gratitude, you add any other word which you can relate, which you use quite often, and which you feel like pumps your energy, right? So that's the kind of high vibrational words. We say it in different language, that high vibrational words, you can put it here in your affirmation, and you can say it like that. I'll give you one more example. If you are manifesting dream person, so I am feeling super excited, happy and grateful now that I am living my life happily with my dream partner. He's so lovely, or she's so lovely and understanding. I feel blessed every second I am with him or her. Okay, so you can use these affirmations. So first is to release all the negativity, worries, resentments you had during your day, because we go through a lot during our day. So you can use that affirmation. Okay, even if you are at home, you don't go to job at home, a number of things can happen. So it's better to start with that affirmation. Once you release that energy, let's just pump up yourself, make yourself calm, that I am calm, I am at peace, I feel happy, I am at peace. Okay, then you end it up with your affirmation. Whatever your affirmation is as per your dream. I gave you an example, just reframe it. If you have any confusion, if you have some other dream for which you feel confused while making an affirmation, drop me a comment. I'm always here to help. And then what you need to do is you need to close your affirmations. How you can close your affirmation is you can close it by saying thank you 3 times. So 3 is the universal creation number, right? That's why it's important to say. It's not like mandatory to say 3 times. It's recommended, and it has been mentioned in book Magic, okay, by Rhonda Byrne, that 3 is the universal creation number. Every time 2 things meet and creates something new. So that's why it's important. If you are creating your dream life, then it's important to say thank you 3 times. That's how you can close it. Then you take 3, 4, 5, however, whatever you feel like is comfortable for you. Take 3, 4 deep breaths. Okay, inhale through your nose and exhale using your mouth. And just when you inhale it, stretch your belly inside. When you exhale, just relax your body, relax your body, relax your body. So that's how you can close this. Now, I gave you all the reasons why it is important to do some rituals before you go to sleep. And I think affirmations are something. It's like GPS, where you put it in the GPS. It's like the location in the GPS with which GPS knows where to take us. right? So same way we train our mind to get into the path which can help us to go towards our dream. Okay, so that's how it can help us. If you have any question across this, and I try to make this video mostly in English because a lot of people comment on video that you just put it in Hindi and English, so I avoid doing that this time and try to put this in English only. And forgive me if I used in Hindi anywhere. And if you need this video in Hindi, just drop a comment. I'll try to make such more videos in Hindi. Whatever is preferable for you, I just need you to learn and implement, because without implementation, nothing is going to work for you. And if you want to see changes in your life, if you want to see changes in the circumstances around you, then you need to take action for your dreams. Then you need to take actions for your life. It's your responsibility. Mine is just to give you some information to make sure that give you relevant information, give you tools, techniques for law of attraction, manifestation, NLP, hypnosis, TFT, EFT. But it is going to be you who need to take the responsibility and implement these things to see changes in your life. I'm going to look forward to your comments. If you have any questions, just put it there. I'll get back to you. And if you have any more suggestions on which you feel like I feel little confused, everything related to personality development or mindset, I'm here to help you out. Give me suggestions. I'll come up with videos and try to give the best information out of it. So once again, thank you so much for sparing out some time and watching this video till the end. If you feel like that I have someone who need to see this video, feel free to share it with that person. And yes, if you have not subscribed the channel, feel free to do that. Thank you so much. Bye.